Hello, follow FauZia food channel lovers. Caviar, often synonymous with luxury and opulence, is a delicacy that has adorned the tables of the wealthy and powerful for centuries. This prized culinary treasure is not just about taste, but also about tradition, prestige, and an unparalleled gastronomic experience. But what exactly is caviar? How can one distinguish between good and bad caviar? And why is it so expensive? Let's delve into the world of caviar to uncover its secrets. What is caviar? Caviar is the roe eggs of sturgeon fish, primarily the beluga, osetra, and sevruga species. These eggs are salted and then cured to create the final product, which is savoured by connoisseurs worldwide. While caviar traditionally refers to sturgeon roe from other fish species like salmon and trout can also be found in the market, often labelled as red caviar or lumpfish caviar. True caviar, however, comes exclusively from sturgeon. Good vs. bad caviar. The quality of caviar can vary significantly, and distinguishing between good and bad caviar is crucial for an authentic experience. Origin. Authentic caviar comes from sturgeon species found in the Caspian Sea, particularly from countries like Russia and Iran. Imitations or lower quality caviars may come from less reputable sources. Appearance. High-quality caviar has a uniform colour and size, with each egg being firm and glossy. Poor quality caviar may have uneven sizes, dull colour, and a mushy texture. Taste. Good caviar has a delicate, buttery flavour with a hint of the sea, and should melt in your mouth without being overly salty. Bad caviar can be overly salty, fishy, or have an unpleasant aftertaste. Texture. The best caviar has a firm texture that pops gently in the mouth. Inferior caviar may be too soft or mushy, indicating poor quality or improper handling. Aroma. High-quality caviar has a subtle, fresh sea scent. A strong fishy odour is a sign of bad caviar. Why is caviar so expensive and a delicacy? Caviar's high cost and status as a delicacy can be attributed to several factors. 1. Rarity. Sturgeon are slow-maturing fish, taking anywhere from 7 to 20 years to produce roe. This long maturation period makes caviar a rare commodity, driving up its price. 2. Harvesting process. The process of harvesting caviar is labour-intensive and requires expertise. Each sturgeon must be carefully handled to extract the roe without damaging the eggs, followed by meticulous processing to ensure quality. Sustainability. Overfishing and pollution have led to a decline in sturgeon populations, particularly in the Caspian Sea. Sustainable farming practices are now essential, but they come with high costs, further increasing the price of caviar. 4. Quality control. Premium caviar undergoes stringent quality control processes, including precise salting and curing techniques. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that only the best caviar reaches consumers, justifying its high price. 5. Cultural significance. Caviar has a rich history and cultural significance, especially in Russia and Iran. Its association with royalty, aristocracy, and luxury dining adds to its mystique and desirability, making it a symbol of wealth and sophistication. Caviar remains one of the most revered delicacies in the culinary world, not only for its exquisite taste and texture, but also for the painstaking processes involved in its production. The differences between good and bad caviar are marked by origin, appearance, taste, texture, and aroma, while its high cost is driven by factors such as rarity, harvesting process, sustainability efforts, quality control, and cultural significance. For those who appreciate the finer things in life, caviar offers an indulgent experience that embodies the essence of luxury. Thank you so much for watching. Follow FauZia. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos.